Hey guys, it's your girl Candy Boo back at you with another video, and this time I'm going to do a makeup tutorial following another makeup tutorial. And if you click the link, I guess you know it's Jeffree. So without further ado, let's get into how we achieved this look. Check it out. Alright guys, we're gonna start by prepping the mane. And as you can see, my little Jamaican flag headband. I'm gonna start by taking all this hair out my face. First things first, I have semi-oily skin, so I use the NYX brand Touch Dehydration, and I just put that on my face first and kind of massage it in. Get a little bit of the oil going there. Alright, so after I've oiled my face, then he went in with his primer. Ooh.
This is primed, and now we're going to move on to foundation. I have been hearing so many mixed reviews about the Total Control Drop Foundation. Now, these came out a while ago. I didn't get a chance to review them yet, and, well, the day's here, so here we are. Y'all know I'm a full coverage queen. Studio Photogenic Concealer. I don't know which one is thicker. I know everyone at home is probably already knowing the answers to this. I'm gonna go in with this first, and here we go. Is this light enough for me? We shall see. Before we dive into contour, I do want to use this HD finishing powder. Hopefully it does not give me any flashback.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world.
So we'll dip in here first. Oh wow, she's pigmented.
Let's chisel these damn cheeks. Now, of course, we have the iconic Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. A lot of people said this was a good dupe last year for the Anastasia Powder Contour Kit as well. So we have this to dive into if we want to. We'll dip in here.
I'm on my own.
Now I'm going to take a little Morphe brush and we're going to dive into this one as well. I did a little on my cheekbone area. I like how soft and pretty it looks. It's not too harsh. Did a little on the jawline.
Lost and found, but you don't care. You're unaware. Keep moving like the sky.
Alright, now I'm going to dip into a lighter shade right here and just go around and make sure it is blended. Next, we're going to step into blush. I have one of these colors that's in this palette, so I didn't feel the need to buy a whole new palette. So I'm going to switch brushes here. Head for the blush.
But now it's time to do a little blush before we highlight, and I'm going to go in with the Sweet Cheeks blush palette. This looks really cute, and I love how versatile all the colors are.
Alright, I got the Pro Illuminating powder, and we're just going to try this on.
So NYX recently put out this Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder Highlighter. I have never tried this. We're going to have to give this a whirl today. It looks like this in the pan. Come on, alien.
I also have the same shade, Twilight Tint. So look at that. And we're just gonna put it there.
The lost and found, but you don't care. You're on.
Now it's time to move on to brows. I know, the main event.
It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, cause the
on, and the job is done. Now let me go do the other side and I'll be right back. The brows are...
Alright, we're gonna prime the eyes.
Stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me.
So I picked up 2 of these. Both of these, the Avant Pop, as he mentioned. And then I also picked up the NYX Ultimate. So we're gonna test these out and see what we can do. Alright, so we're gonna coat our lids and under our brows with that matte color. I'm using it from the Pop palette. It's a similar color as he used. So let's do the lids and under the brows, like he's doing.
Now I'm going to go in with this peachy type of warm color. I love this vibe I'm feeling right here. And let's just see how she wants to blend.
Alright, so he went in with this peachy type of warm color. And let's just see how it's going to work on me.
I'm dying to try this metallic shade right here. But first, I am going to darken my crease area a little bit. So let's just go in with this color. And then we're just going to really focus the brush right in here, just to create the illusion of an even deeper crease. Alright, I went in there with this dark color right here. And then I'm also blending the peach color over it to just kind of go out and give it some more drama. Disappointing. Okay, I'm going to wet the brush with some setting spray and let's see if it changes. Let's go in with that one more time. Oh, the bristles are down. We got a little bit more pigment. Thank you, Jesus, because I was a little worried.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase.
Liner. I mean, if we're just gonna go there, highlight is so obnoxious already. So this is a slide on, glide on, stay on, and definitely a turn on waterproof extreme shine eyeliner. Jesus Christ. And then I love how it says after it, this eyeliner is so good the name had to be this long. Okay, well let's give it a whirl and let's see if it's true or not.
Okay, I got the same eyeliner that he has. Blue is my favorite color, so hey Jeffree, I'm with you there.
My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide in the...
Ooh, that blue kind of pops. Okay, okay. See what you did there, Jeff. See what you did there. Alright guys, now it's time for mascara. And like Jeff, I seem to have 2 similar things. Like, it's not the same, but it's similar. Why do I have 2? I don't know. But we're gonna use this one.
Mascara. Okay, so mascara today, I don't know what I'm going to use. We have this NYX one called Stacked. Let's look at the wand here, and let's see what Stacked looks like.
Like shadows in.
Now, Jeffree did this stuff and he was done and he moved on, but I'm going to need some lashes. 1 second. I have like the purpley color that he chose. This might tie into this look. I also have a nude color.
Now I definitely think it's time for lipstick. Oh my god. Now here's where it gets tricky. There are so many lip products.
Charting the stratosphere. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears.
not mad at this one. It's very easy. What else do we gotta do? We gotta find some damn setting spray.
You made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run. I get through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home is just you and me.
Did I nail it? Or close to it? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried out a little makeup thing. Did a pretty good job, I'd say. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And guys, don't forget, this is one more week. You guys have one more week to register for my giveaway, which is the video before this. So you can click it here, or you can just scroll back and check that video out. And remember, enter guys. I want to give you guys these goodies. Enter, enter, enter. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like these. And one for the reach on? One for the call me when you get home. So I know you're safe. Bye.